To open a PDF in Chrome, press Ctrl+O. Select the PDF and then click Open. Click the three-dot menu near the top right corner and select Print. Select Save as PDF from the Destination menu. To choose your pages, click the Pages menu, select Custom, and then enter the page range you want to extract. Click Save to save your new PDF. If you have a Mac, start by opening your PDF in Preview. Click the View menu and select Thumbnails. Hold the Command key as you click the pages you want to extract. Click the File menu and select Print. Click the Show Details button to display more options. Click Selected Pages in Sidebar. Choose Save as PDF from the drop-down menu at the bottom left. Name the PDF and then click Save.